Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another watercolor video. Today we're going to be working on a sheet of Bockingford 140-pound pressed paper. I'm going to do watercolor. Here I am just putting some water down. I'm going to be doing a lot of wet in wet today. So we want our paper pretty wet, damp. I'm going to give this just a few minutes to soak in, and then we'll start by adding in a little bit of the raw or the liquid umber into the sky. So let's get started here. I'm going to give that just a few minutes or a few seconds to do its thing. I want the paper to be, for the paper to really get a nice sheen to it, but not too shiny. Okay, so we're just going to drop in some of this liquid umber. I'm going to just, these are going to be like our yellow highlights. Such a nice color. I'm just going to kind of, I don't know what the shape is going to be. I have a feeling, but I don't know where it's going to go. Who knows? It's watercolor. Who knows? I don't know. Let's come in with a bit of that sanguine color. I'm just going to drop some of that in. And some spots. Trying to preserve a little bit of that white space. I liked how yesterday's turned out, but I think having the wet paper is definitely a must. If you want a soft sky. If you're looking for something a little bit more harsh, you could try the damp paper, but I kind of wanted something a little bit more blended. I'm just kind of twirling the brush around here. Need a bit more of that over here. Maybe it makes sense. I feel the light is going to be right through there. Now I want to come in with a bit of the haze pink from Schmincke, from their haze set. Just add a little bit of this color in here in some spots. This is a granulating color, and it does have some blue in it as well as pink. So I thought it would be, I've used it once before, but I thought it might be nice to play with it a little bit more today, because it does have, as you can see, it's got some little bits of the blue in there, which is kind of nice. I don't know how much of I want to use. And if we want to spritz. I don't know. I think I want some wispies maybe. I'm gonna dab a little bit, so I think I got some spots with maybe too much. And I think I want to add some blue. I'm gonna add a little bit of the cerulean in here as well. Kind of give some nice blues. Oh, that might be too much. I could spread it out. I think I want some indigo down here at the bottom, which I think this is Payne's Gray. Gray. Oh, there we go. That's a nice color. Okay, I'm gonna add more. It's probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Already got some of those marks. Want before we stop dropping colors in. Because once it's dry, I haven't had any luck going back over it. So we're not going to do that. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. Okay, that's dry. I did have to add a little bit more of the gray through here because I dropped my brush onto the piece. So I tried to futz with it, but I kind of like that sort of mark that it made. Okay, I put down some resist. So I'm going to come back in with this sort of greenish, it's a sap green mixed with a, what is it mixed with? Payne's Gray. I'm just going to add some marks through here. I actually don't remember where I put the resist, so this might be kind of interesting. Ooh, that's fun. I love the randomness of the resist. I don't know why, but it's like, ooh, look what I just made. Like it just sort of takes me back like every time. Let's add a little bit more of the just liquid umber. Oh, I'm loving this. This might be my favorite one yet. I say that about everyone, but I kind of like this one. I love what happened here. I love those shapes that it made. Very simple, but it's just so darn fun. And look how straight that horizon line is. It'll make some people happy. Let's come in with a little bit more of the sanguine. I don't want to give up my resist marks. Okay, I've mixed up a little bit of the sap green with some sepia. And put some of that through there. I'm going to add, I think, a little bit of darker through there. Okay, somebody has suggested using a plastic card to put in some marks. So I want to try it right through here. I've seen people use this before, but I've only seen it used for like making at the beginning of the painting. It's more of a put the color down and add water, which we might add some water to it. So this has got just a little bit of water in it. I don't think I want it to come all the way over. I think I just want it to come right to there. We need a little bit of more over here and kind of make it. This is definitely different. I like the marks though. I'm gonna add a bit more sanguine through here. Because can you ever have enough sanguine? I'm gonna say no. Okay, this could be a mistake, but I want to add some shapes down here because I'm feeling like it looks a little sad. So I'm thinking I could just add some of these little shapes through here and have it be a little bit more, I don't know. Oh, that didn't really, I was way too wet. Okay, I'm gonna come in with a little bit of this Caran d'Ache crayon here. I'm not really liking, I don't know what I'm not liking. I'm just not liking it. I think it needs some more texture. Maybe not everywhere. It just needs some marks, maybe. just going to add some black paint, but I don't think that would solve anything. I like that now. I just think it needed some, because then it just looked like a blob with lines through it. Now it kind of feels like it has a little bit more structure to it. Look at our water-soluble oil pastels. We're going to go with the gold ochre today. Lines through here, I think. I think only black or only this color today. I don't know that I want black in there, but I might want to make some skinny little lines through here. Kind of give it that movement through there. Let's bring a few down through here. Okay, I found this dark gray pastel, and I want to put some lines through there, I think. It's sort of a green blue. It feels very empty up there. This could be sort of, oh, that's fun. Love that. Yeah, that's working for me. I like that. It just needed some texture up there. All right, here it is with the matte. What do we think? I like it. I like the pink. It's very subtle. I love the granulating colors. It didn't granulate much into the blues as I thought, but I like the addition of the blue. I like the orange bits and I just think the sky is marvelous. I love this color with that sky, and this gray color I think really added something. I'm actually okay with this rock down here, or this shape. So I think once I mat it like this, it makes sense. And it has some dynamic marks in there. I love how the resist turned out. Kind of gives you a feeling of a beachy kind of thing. I don't know. I mean, it's just an abstract scene. I don't even know if it's a beach. It could be a beach. It could be a landscape. I don't know what it is. But I love it. I love it. I think this is my favorite one I've done this week. In the last week or so since I've been doing daily uploads. I definitely want to play with this pink color more with this blue. I think it adds just some pops of drama. And I love it. I just love it with these. I love the colors on this. I think it's really cool. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with some more adventures. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.